Okay, we've now found a place in the Notepad HTML document where we will add code for keyboard input. So this is very exciting. So we want to say that we're going to listen on the body of the HTML for any key press. So we'll use the on function in jQuery, and we'll say when it is a key up, so you press the key and you release the key, that's an event that the web page listens to. We're going to call this anonymous function, passing an event E. Okay, and we're going to say when this happens, okay, when a key presses up, maybe any key, let's alert e.which. So this will give us the actual number for that key. So all of the keys on your keyboard have a number associated with them, or that's what I think. Okay, so let's refresh page. I'm going to press the letter J. It gives me 74. I'm going to press the up arrow, the down arrow, the right arrow. So right arrow is 39. Up is 38, left is 37, down is 40. Now, also when we want the bunny to eat the carrot, maybe we'll press the letter E. E is 69. So we want to say when I press the right arrow, 39, we want the bunny to move one cell to the right. So right now, he is in cell 0-0, or in square 0-0. When I press the right key, I want him to move to square _1-0. So 1 over to the right. Okay, so to do that, we're going to convert this alert into an if statement. So if this e.which, the number there, is equal to, we said 39, I believe. That's right. We want the bunny to move 1 to the right. Okay, so what we'll need to do is 1, get row and column of current coordinates, okay, of the bunny. Then next, we're going to add 1 to the column, and then we're going to last move bunny to new coordinates. Okay, so we'll do that. Now, so first let's get where the bunny is. So we can access, we can get that bunny ID. We can get the ID equals dot ID, right? So what am I calling? I'm getting anything on the screen that says bunny location. Okay, but I want the first element. Hopefully there's only one bunny on the screen. So when I get that one, I now need to, let's just print out what that says, or alert to the screen what that says, and then we'll know what we need to take from that ID, how we can interpret that string or parse it. So alert bunny ID. So let's do that. Let's come back here, refresh. I'm going to close that. And when I press the right key, it says square _ 0-0. Perfect. So everything to the right of the underscore is what we want. And those are the coordinates 0, 0. So let's say let bunny coordinates equal to bunny ID, and we're going to split this string by the underscore. So okay, so those are the coordinates. Now the first so now to get the column, so let column for the bunny equals bunny coordinates dot split again. There's a dash between those two, right? So we want to split it by the dash. The one on the left, so in an array, 0 is the first element. The one on the left is, oh, whoopsies. I want to get the one on the right. The one on the left, 0 is the first element in an array. So now to get the one on the right, we need to write everything the same, but put a 1 for which element in the array. Okay, so that should be the row. Okay, and we are now going to check to see, or let's do an alert for now. Let's check to see that we have everything coded correctly. So what is the column? And what is the row? Okay, so let's just refresh. Okay, I press the right arrow and it says column 0, row 0. Everything looks fine so far. So if I'm pressing the right key, then I want the row to increment by, not the row, sorry, I want the column to increment by 1. Plus equals 1. Okay, and so that's what I did just here. Okay, great. Okay, and then next, we're now going to form a new coordinates. So, sorry, let new coordinates equal s equal sq underscore and then plus column plus dash plus row. Okay, and so now we're going to move. Okay, we're now going to add to the board. We're going to add to this new. Actually, first what we'll do is we'll remove the location class from the entire board, then re-add the location class to this specific coordinates. So first, let's do, let's say, 4. Okay, remove all move class bunny location from board. Okay, let's do that now. So get bunny location and remove class bunny location. Okay. All right, and then perfect. Now at our new coordinates. So let's find it. So at this ID, new coordinates. Okay, we are going to add class bunny location. Okay, then we will test to see if everything is working as we expected. So if I refresh, good. I press the right key and okay, and it did not move to the right. Let's inspect and see what happened. So okay, it's a blank. I'm not sure what happened. Let's go look at our code. So okay, I now see what happened. So the computer is interpreting this as a string text, not as a number. So if I refresh this page and I press the right arrow, it is actually, instead of adding 1 to 1, it's concatenating. It's putting 1 after the 0. So what we need to do is we need to force JavaScript to interpret this column, this as a number. So So what we need to say is that the column and the row are numbers. And so if we force JavaScript to interpret these as numbers, if we add anything to them, it should work. Okay, let's refresh it and see what happens now. I press right arrow. It now says it's 1 and it's moving. Fantastic. Let's remove the alert and we'll hide this alert as well. You can even maybe put it to the console instead. Console.log. Okay, so now let's refresh. If I press right arrow, it's moving. But if I press right arrow one more time, it goes off the screen. So the next thing that we need to do is write code that prevents the location from moving past the edge of the board.